Okay, so very good morning to all of you today. As you all know, we have already finished our syllabus of PT1. So now we are just doing the revision. Yesterday we revised chapter 3 and now we are going to revise chapter 2. Like reverse order mein hum chal rahe hain. Chapter 2, that is the principles of management. You all know. Let's have a quick recap of the chapter. What all we have studied in this chapter. There are two management philosophers. One is Henry Fayol, who is also called as father of management. Other is F.W. Taylor, he is also called as father of scientific management. Henry Fayol has given 14 principles and no techniques. No techniques. F.W. Taylor has given 4 principles and 7 techniques. In some books there are 8 techniques, in some there are 6, but 7 is there actually. Rest you can increase as per your wish. अभी book वाले अपने accordingly कोई भी term मिलती है उसको भी add कर देते. It is 7 only. And moreover, we have studied about what are the features of principles of management and how is it important to study about that. Okay. So let's come back to the multiple choice question. Multiple choice questions from this chapter are not there. Like more questions are not there. But why we are going to do that? अगर क्वेश्चन आना ही एक या दो है तो फिर हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? We are doing because with this, like in this way, we will be able to cover maximum chapter. अगर मैं long question revise कराने लगी तो पूरा chapter नहीं हो पाएगा. So MCQs में पूरा का पूरा chapter some or the other way it is covered. So that's why I selected this method. If you want me to discuss case studies, you can tell me. We will discuss that tomorrow. Right? So let's start with MCQs. But before that, don't forget to match, recheck the practice paper with the answer key. Have you solved the practice paper? All of you? Raise your hands, those who have solved it. That's all. बाकी कहाँ है? क्या कर रहे थे बेटे आप? तानिया, you have not done? The practice paper is not solved. Okay, only 3 students have it yet. But that practice paper is for, I think it was for you only. You may have seen the paper. Solve नहीं किया तो देखा तो सब नहीं होगा. तो वो पेपर ऐसे नहीं randomly कुछ भी लिख दिया है. It took us an hour or 2 to sort out, to find out the question, to frame the question paper like that, then with all the instructions and so and so. So I believe this is for your benefit and you are supposed to do the self-assessment of the same. Chaliye, today you are supposed to solve the paper and then match it with the answers. Okay, let's come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true with reference to principles of management? So you can raise your hand and I'll ask you. Okay, Kanna Patra, you can answer.
मैम
की जो स्क्रीन होती है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 करना होता है. ठीक है, उसको पिन कर लिया करो, फिर ऐसे ऐसे करके ढूंढना नहीं पड़ता क्वेश्चन वाली स्क्रीन को. उसको पिन करना है, बाकी बच्चों की स्क्रीन को पिन नहीं करना. आई नो दे आर योर फ्रेंड्स.
क्या नहीं हुआ था.
ठीक है, चलिए पढ़िए.
मैम, which of the following statement is true with reference to principles of management? The principles of management are in the continuous process of evolution.
Very good. It is in the continuous process of evolution because it keeps on changing according to the situation, according to the dynamic environment. It will iski evolution jisko hum kehte hain, it is going on. Next is by profession. F.W. Taylor was what? Okay. Very good. Chahat, you can answer.
Ma'am, mechanical engineer.
Okay, and what was Henry Fayol? No idea. Henry Fayol का किसको मालूम है? Okay, Aditi, you can answer.
Mining engineer.
Mining engineer. Very good. It is mining engineer. Okay, next is question number 3. The principles of pure science are considered to be dash in nature. It is what? Ketan. Yes, Ketan.
Rigid.
It is rigid. Yes, we have done it earlier also. Which of the following statement best defines the techniques of management? What is the techniques? होती क्या है? इनमें से कौन सी डेफिनेशन जो है वो टेक्निक्स के लिए है? ओके, ओनली वन स्टूडेंट हैज रेज्ड हैंड. It is a set of guidelines. Okay, so many. Tania, you can answer with it. Bete, you have not unmuted yourself.
It is a procedure which involves a series of steps to be
Okay,
taken.
it is a procedure which involves a series of steps. Techniques क्या होती हैं? The methodology to be followed with the following step. कुछ steps होते हैं, step by step हम उसको करेंगे. Right answer. Next is the principles of management have been developed on the basis of what? Okay, 1, 2 only. Ketan.
All of the above. Option D.
Experimentation, observation, and personal experience of the manager. All of the above is the right answer. Which of the following statement is or are true with the reference to the principles of management? Question number 6. Okay. Principles are guidelines. The principles denote the cause and मुझे तो सारी सही लग रही है. आपको क्या लग रहा है? Okay, Jasmine.
All of the above.
All of the above. Right. All these statements are true. Very good. Next is the principles of management are intended to applied to all the types and sizes of the organization. So it is very easy. Yes, Manya, you can answer.
Universally applicable.
It is universally applicable. The principles of management do not provide a ready-made straight jacket solution to all the management problems. ये हमने already पढ़ा हुआ है. So the answer is Sanya.
The principles act as general guidelines.
It act as
General guidelines.
general guidelines. Okay, everyone has the same answer. Okay, so it act as general guidelines. It doesn't provide us the ready-made solution. Next is the principles of management can be modified by the manager when the situation demands. So according to the situation, वो change कर देते हैं. Okay, Muskan, Sian, you can answer.
Flexible.
It's flexible, right? Flexible how? Because we can change it according to the situation. The principles of management enhance understandability of relation between the human and material nature. Material resources for the achievement of organizational goals. Identify the feature of principle of management which is being described in the above case. Okay, Kanika Goyal, you can answer.
Mainly behavior.
It is behavioral in nature. Behavior किसका होता है? Human का. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने human की बात करी तो behavioral in nature हमारा आंसर. The application of the principles of management has to be changed as per the requirements of the prevailing situation at a particular point of time. Which feature of the principle of management is being described in the above given situation? I can see so many faces with hands raised. Himani.
Ma'am, a contingent.
It is contingent. Why it is contingent, Betty?
Because the principles can be changed according to the situation.
Yes, it can be changed. It is not fixed. Like it may or may not be applicable, or it may or may not be there, right? So contingent होता है. Next is principles of management emphasize on logical and rational decision making rather than on the basis of bias and prejudice. Okay, logic or rational decision लेना है, तो which principle of management is this? Only one. Muskan? Yes, Muskan. Muskan. Okay, Mitali, you can answer.
Scientific decision.
Very good. It is scientific decision. हमने कोई भी hit and trial method नहीं use करना, logical और rational decision making करना है. Next is rule of thumb. क्या होता है? What is rule of thumb? Use of personal judgment. Number 1. Number 2, adopting hit and trial method. Both or none. No hand raised. Okay. Aditi, you can answer now. Aditi.
Ma'am, it's not sure.
Not sure. Okay. Mitali, you can answer.
Adopting a hit and trial approach to resolve
Okay,
management.
adopting, and Himani also want to answer. Himani, what is your answer?
Ma'am, same B part.
बी पार्ट बेटे आपको मैंने बताया था, इफ यू मुझे लगता है भूल ही जाते हो, इसको लिख लीजिए कहीं. ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू, रूल ऑफ थंब में दोनों पॉइंट्स होते हैं. बोथ ऑफ द अबव इज द राइट आंसर. पर्सनल जजमेंट इज आल्सो देयर, क्योंकि देखो आप हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड लगाओगे एंड देन यू विल हैव पर्सनल जजमेंट. आप उसमें लगाते हो कि दिस मेथड आई विल फॉलो, दिस आई विल नॉट फॉलो. सो बोथ 2 points are correct. Use of personal judgment is also there and hit and trial method is also there. So both of the above is the right answer, right? Question number 14. According to Taylor, even a small production activity like loading figures of iron into boxes can be scientifically planned and managed. This can result in tremendous saving of human energy as well as wastage of time and material. Identify the related principle of scientific management. Okay. Okay. To Kashvi, yes, bete.
Science, not rule of thumb.
Very good. Why it is science, not rule of thumb?
Because, ma'am, in this principle, everything should be scientifically planned and
Yes.
managed.
Question में उन्होंने scientifically plan की बात की थी कि we will do scientific planning for the same. Question number 15. According to this principle of management, scientific management has for its foundation the firm conviction that true interest of the management and workers are one and the same. तो दोनों का इंटरेस्ट क्या था? सेम है जी. The prosperity of the employer cannot exist for a long time unless it is accompanied by the prosperity of the employees and vice versa. Okay, only one child has read. Okay, Ketan. Yes, Ketan.
Cooperation, not individualism.
Hina Taneja.
मैम बी ऑप्शन ही बोलना था मैंने भी, कोऑपरेशन एंड
Kashvi.
Harmony, not discord.
हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड मुझे भी ज्यादा लग रहा है बेटे. यहाँ एम्प्लॉयर एम्प्लॉय की बात हो रही है ना, तो बोथ हैव टू लाइक थिंक फॉर ईच अदर. हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड, आई थिंक दिस शुड बी देयर. कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म तो बेटे वो था ना जिसमें द वर्कर्स विल बी अलाउड टू यूज देयर मेथड, अपना डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. उनको हमने पूछना है कि ओके यू कैन गिव योर आइडियाज एंड देन वी विल डू अकॉर्डिंगली. तो कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म, अगर आपको याद हो तो लास्ट टाइम भी वी वर बीइंग कंफ्यूज्ड. कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म इज सम और द अदर वे सिमिलर टू इनिशिएटिव प्रिंसिपल, जिसमें आइडियाज लेते हैं हम वर्कर से. तो यहाँ पे इस आइडियाज वाली तो कोई बात ही नहीं हो रही. यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि मैनेजमेंट को वर्कर्स के लिए सोचना है, वर्कर को मैनेजमेंट के लिए सोचना है. और अगर वर्कर का फायदा करेगी मैनेजमेंट तो उनका अपना फायदा खुद ही हो जाएगा. इसमें एक लाइन आपको, अगर आपने ध्यान से पढ़ा हो, आपको मैंने टर्म वो भेजे थे, कीवर्ड्स भेजे थे. प्लीज टेक आउट दोस कीवर्ड्स ऑफ चैप्टर 2. है आपके पास? मैंने बोला था कहीं लिख लीजिए और टेक आउट द कीवर्ड्स. वहां पे देखिए हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड के कीवर्ड्स क्या हैं. ओपन इट वंस. जिसको मिल जाएंगे सबसे पहले वो हैंड रेज करेगा. ओके केतन. सो केतन यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम योर नोट्स व्हाटएवर यू हैव. हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड के सारे कीवर्ड्स पढ़ दो. क्या है?
Management should share gain of company with workers.
ठीक है.
Interest of management and workers is same, and mental revolution in management should be there.
वेरी गुड. तो यहाँ पे देख लो, अब जो लाइन तुमने बोली वो एज इट इज लिखी है. अगर आपने कीवर्ड्स को यहाँ रखा होता तो आंसर आपके सामने था. कौन सी लाइन तुमने बोली? द लाइन वाज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट एंड वर्कर्स आर वन एंड द सेम. यही बोला ना आपने? बोला था. तो आपने इसका मतलब उन कीवर्ड्स को सिर्फ देखा और पढ़ा नहीं. नॉट ओनली यू, और भी किसी बच्चे ने मुझे बोला मैम सेम आंसर है. तो ये आपको गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, ये आपको कीवर्ड्स में गिवन है, फिर भी आप गलती कर रहे हो. दैट इज द रीजन ऑफ दिस रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज. ओके, अब राइट आंसर हमारा हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड हो गया. काशवी ने सही बताया था. ठीक है, चलिए, वेरी गुड. Next is question number 16. According to this principle of scientific management, the employee should be rewarded to their suggestions, which results in substantial reduction in the cost. किसमें कहा गया है कि सजेशन के लिए उनको रिवॉर्ड देना है? हाँ जी, कौन आंसर करेगा? कनिका, यू कैन आंसर.
Ma'am, B part, cooperation, not individualism.
कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म, वेरी राइट आंसर। और ये आपने कीवर्ड्स में से देखा होगा, देखा है कीवर्ड्स में लिखा है सर? कीवर्ड्स देखिए एक बार फिर से केतन, ये वाली लाइन लिखी है कीवर्ड्स में, लिखिए।
Yes, ma'am.
देख लीजिए, मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ, मैं बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ, इतने आवर्स मुझे लगे, मैंने अपने हाथ से कॉपी पे लिखा, और आपने पढ़ना भी जरूरी नहीं समझा उसको। इतने सारे कीवर्ड्स क्यों लिखे मैंने? सो दैट इट विल प्रोवाइड यू रेडीमेड solution, you know, for the questions. Still you are not using, then you are extra intelligent. चलिए, question number 17. According to Taylor, each specialist has to assign the work according to this. तो प्रिंसिपल पूछा है। अब बच्चा पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ता ना, सारे स्पेशलिस्ट वाली लाइन तो फंक्शनल फॉरमैनशिप आंसर दे देता, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि प्रिंसिपल बताना है साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट का, प्रिंसिपल। ओके, अश्विंदर, यू कैन आंसर।
मैम, सी पार्ट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन।
अब ये कौन सी लाइन से आपको मिल गया यहाँ पे?
मैम की the employee who possess technical mastery should be involved the planning work, whereas those with energy and good health must be assigned with.
तो पहली लाइन मुझे यहाँ से मिली थी, his और her qualities, और यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है देखो, his और her efficiency and prosperity। ठीक है, तो his and her वाली एक लाइन हुई थी। दूसरी बात उन्होंने ये बोला कि जिनको टेक्निकल मास्टरी चाहिए, तो मास्टरी का मतलब यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग और उसकी बात हो रही है ना, डेवलपमेंट की बात, गुड हेल्थ एंड ऑल दैट। सो इन लाइन से हमारा आंसर क्लियर हो गया, दिस इज दी, सी इज द राइट आंसर। ओके, उसके बाद आ गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। कंसिडर द फैक्ट दैट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड वन सिंगल पर्सन हु नीड ऑल द क्वालिटी दिस। सो दिस इज अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर। ओके, अदिति, यू कैन आंसर।
Functional foremanship.
How? Because
Taylor suggested appointment of a specialist to district.
yes, because he said that specialist should be there. ठीक है, वन सिंगल पर्सन, ये वाली लाइन आपको लिखवाई हुई है कीवर्ड्स में कि वन सिंगल पर्सन विद ऑल नीडेड क्वालिटीज इज नॉट अवेलेबल। ऐसा कोई बंदा नहीं होता जो हर चीज में एक्सपर्ट हो। ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड मोर देन वन बॉस, 8 बॉसेस चाहिए हमें। The concept of work study techniques include, work study में क्या होता है ये तो सबको ही पता, अंधे को भी हम कहते हैं ना, अंधे को भी पता है इस बात से। कौन बताएगा फिर? ओके, काव्या, यू कैन टेल व्हाट इज द आंसर।
All of the above.
ऑल ऑफ द अबव, ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें एक पॉइंट मिसिंग है, तुम बता सकती हो वो कौन सा है? 4th वन, काव्या।
Method study.
Method study is missing. Okay, so we will spare 2-3 more minutes to discuss these points again. What is the meaning of fatigue study? Anyone raise your hand. Meaning of fatigue study without looking into the notebook. Yes, Kannav want to answer. Kannav.
Fatigue study means that
Mic नहीं है बेटे आपको on. Kannav, or you are not audible. जी जी बोलिए।
मैम नाउ
इट्स नॉट ऑडिबल। चलिए जैस्मीन आप बताइए।
Ma'am, it refers to the job in which the particular time interval or rest interval is required to complete a particular job.
राइट, टाइम इंटरवल, रेस्ट इंटरवल एक ही बात है, दो बातें थी। एक तो टाइम इंटरवल कितने टाइम की रेस्ट है, और दूसरा एक और चीज थी। ओके,
Duration.
ड्यूरेशन तो बेटे टाइम इंटरवल ड्यूरेशन सेम है। एक और चीज थी। ओके, अदिति, व्हाट इज द अदर थिंग?
To set rest intervals.
टाइम पीरियड तो हो गया ना, कितने टाइम की रेस्ट है। एक और चीज होती है केतन, क्या होती है वो?
Frequency of rest.
Frequency means how many times we are going to get that rest. Time मतलब number of times that rest is to be repeated. ठीक है जी, तो frequency and time period, both these points will be involved. अश्विंदर, कुछ कहना आपको? चलिए, fatigue study is clear. It is a study in which we will study about the frequency and time period for the rest which is required by a worker while doing the work. Motion study Who will tell? Motion study. Okay. Sanya.
Motion study means to differentiate between the productive and unproductive movements and eliminating all the unproductive movements.
Very good, very good. 2 लाइनों में आपने बात खत्म कर दी. That is true. सबसे पहले we have to identify what are productive movements, what are unproductive movements, and the non-productive or non-productive movements will be deleted or eliminated, and productive movements will be there so that the efficiency will be increased. Okay, time study कौन बताएगा? Ketan?
Ma'am, in this we have to set the number of employees for the job and to set the target for them.
Time taken to complete one particular task, and then on that basis the number of persons is also decided. Okay, very right. Mitali is also there. Mitali, the fourth one point is missed, that you have to explain.
Method study, in which we have to find one best method to do a particular task.
Very good. One line, the concept is clear. One best method of doing the work is the study of method study, which is called as. And all these 4 techniques are collectively called as work study. Okay, question number 20. The objective of the technique of scientific management is to reduce a given line or product or type and fix size and characteristic. कौन सी technique होती है? ये वाली. Okay, Kavya wants to answer. Kavya.
Standardization and
Very
simplification
good.
of
It is
work.
standardization and simplification in which the types and sizes are being fixed. उसके जो characteristics है उसके basis पे उसको standardize करते हैं. Simplification में हम eliminate कर देते हैं extra sizes and types इसको, variety को. Next question है, the technique of scientific management helps in development of the concept of assembly line, which is widely used in automobile companies these days, as well as identify the technique. कौन सी technique है जिसमें हम assembly line की एक technique identify कर लेते हैं? Okay, one only. Manya. Yes, Manya.
Method study.
How you can say that?
Concept of assembly line, one best method.
Yes, concept of assembly line is the method which they have decided कि हमने ये वाला method we are going to use. तो ये वाली line अगर आपके पास आ जाती है, so it means the method study is there. Right answer. Next question number 22. Which of the following is the objective of time study? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था केतन ने. Okay, Chahat want to answer. Yes. Yes, Chahat.
Ma'am, all of the above.
All of the above. Workers भी पता चलते, incentive भी पता चलते, labor cost भी पता चलती. Very good. It is all of the above. So this point, all these 3 lines are basically the keywords for time study. If it is not there, you can mention it, like you can note it down. Next is the technique of scientific management. Aims to determine the amount and frequency of rest interval. ये सबको ही पता है. It's very easy. Who will answer? Hina, Taneja, you can answer.
Ma'am, D option, none of the above.
None of the above. Why? What is the right answer?
Fatigue study.
Very good. It is fatigue study. Question number 24. The technique of differential piece wage rate system of Taylor in order to क्या करता है वो? Okay, Jasmine क्या करेगा वो? This technique helps in
All of the above.
all of the above. Discriminate between efficient and inefficient, reward the efficient and motivate the inefficient to perform better. Very good. All these are the keywords for differential piece wage system. Okay. The application of this principle leads to higher production and better work for the same effort. Okay. Same effort के लिए better हमें मिलेंगे higher production मिलेगा, better effort work मिलेगा अगर हम इस principle को follow करते हैं. कौन सा principle है ये? Okay. Two only. Kanika. Yes, bete.
Division of work.
Division of work. Yes. Because with the same effort, with the same persons, अगर हम properly work को divide करते हैं, we will get better output. Question number 26. According to this principle of general management, the organization should safeguard against abuse of managerial power. At the same time, the manager should have the necessary authority to carry out the responsibility. नाम से पता चल गया. Question में hint दे दिया. So answer will be Tanya. Tanya.
Authority and responsibility.
Authority and responsibility. And Tanya, can you please explain this principle? What does it say?
Ma'am, it says that a person who has the authority to order should balance the authority and should balance its authority and responsibility, both of them for the efficiency and effectiveness.
Very good. It should be equivalent. एक line में अगर मुझे explain करना हो तो I will say that authority given to a person should be equivalent to the responsibility assigned. Authority should not be more or less than the responsibility. Question number 27. The principle of management suggested by Henry Fayol, which advocates that there should be good superior at all the level, clear and fair judgment and judicial. Kashvi ने सबसे पहले हाथ खड़े किया. Yes, Kashvi, what is the answer?
None of the above.
Why none of the above? What is the right answer for this question?
Discipline.
Very good, because आपको पहले से hint याद है ना? Last time भी हमने ये discuss किया था, जहां पे clear, fair, agreement और judicious application of penalty. Penalty लगानी है तो discipline होगा, तभी penalty लगेगी. आपने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया तो आपको. So discipline is the right answer. So here we will say none of you. Very good. ठीक है. अब कई बार बच्चे ये भी गलती करते हैं कि यहाँ पे discipline है नहीं, सोचते नहीं कुछ और होगा, तो बाकियों में से कोई और ऑप्शन देखने लग जाते हैं. तो be very smart to select your answer. Next question, according to Henry Fayol, if the principle of general management is violated, authority is undermined, discipline is in jeopardy, and order distributed and stability threatened. ये लाइन आपको लिखवाई भी थी और बोला था कि ये वाली लाइन का प्रिंसिपल कौन सा है, आपको बताया हुआ. ओके, सो सानिया ने हाथ खड़े किया सबसे पहले. सानिया.
Unity of command.
Unity of command. Question number 28. Unity of command कैसे होगा? Anyone else? किसी और का आंसर कुछ और होगा तो अगर कनिका yes बेटे, what should be the answer?
Ma'am, discipline.
Okay, Jasmine, what is your answer?
Ma'am, discipline.
Discipline. Kanav Batra, your answer?
Discipline.
Discipline will be the right answer बेटे. अगर हमने discipline ही नहीं रखा है तो फिर हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रॉपर क्योस हो जाएगा. यही था ना आंसर? आई एम नॉट श्योर एक्चुअली. ये हमने पढ़ा तो था. Discipline is in jeopardy, order distributed and stability threatened. I think discipline should be the right answer. Okay. अगर ये लाइन आपको कहीं और मिलेगी, कुछ और होगा तो we will discuss it again. Okay. Question number 29. Till now, I think discipline is the right answer. Unity of command is something else. किसने बोला था भाई unity of command? आप में से? सानिया बेटे, why you think it is unity of command?
Ma'am, because if there will be more than one boss, then
there will be chaos.
chaos.
हाँ, वो वाली बात तो तुम्हारी सही है. You are right there. Okay, check in the book. अपनी book में देखना एक बार, ठीक है? Check into your notes, and if you find something else, then let me know. Question number 29. Through this principle of management, Henry Fayol guides the managers to exhibit exemplary behavior and advise them they should not fall for any temptation, misuse of their power for personal benefit at the cost of general interest of the organization. ये भी पता चल गया, general interest भी लिखा है, personal benefit भी लिखा है, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा. हिमानी, what is the right answer?
Subordination of individual interest to general
Very good,
interest.
very good. Subordination of individual interest to general interest is the right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, Ashwinder.
Okay,
Ma'am, in the book, it is unity of command.
Unity of command. I was telling you that I have a doubt. It can be unity of command, and discipline should also be there. But right, she is right. Please mark this one as the right answer, because unity of command, if not be there, again that is through It will also lead to jeopardy and chaos, and order will not be distributed properly, and stability will be threatened. It is right. It should be cut. Cut लग रहा है ना? Discipline नहीं होगा. मेरे को भी थोड़ा confusion थी. You are right. Okay, so next question is question number 30. That is, which principle of general management advocates that employee turnover should be minimized to maintain an organizational efficiency? So the right answer is, okay, so many students. किसको पूछिए अब? 10 participants have raised. जिसने अभी तक कोई भी आंसर नहीं किया है वो बच्चा खुद ही अपना माइक ऑन करके आंसर कर दो, जिसने अभी तक कोई आंसर नहीं सुना है. ऐसा कोई नहीं है? चलिए हिमानी आप बताइए.
Remuneration of employees.
No, it is not the right answer. Aditi, what is the right answer?
Stability of personnel.
Stability of personnel. देखो, अगर हमारे एम्प्लॉइज जो है वो स्टेबल रहेंगे इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, टर्नओवर क्या होता है? उनका छोड़ के चले जाते, कंपनी को छोड़ के, दे आर लीविंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो अगर वो लीव कर देते हैं हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो हमारी एफिशिएंसी नहीं हो पाएगी. सो स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पर्सोनल इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द राइट आंसर. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस पीडीएफ. ये वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं हम. ये क्वेश्चन बेटे जो था, इफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ जनरल मैनेजमेंट इज वायलेटेड, अगर बेटे जनरली आपको लिखा होता ना कि डिसिप्लिन इज वायलेटेड, तो डिसिप्लिन के वायलेशन से क्या होना था? क्लियर एंड फेयर जजमेंट नहीं होनी थी. ऊपर वाले पॉइंट से पढ़ते हैं यहाँ से. क्लियर एंड फेयर जजमेंट नहीं, एग्रीमेंट नहीं होना था, प्रॉपरली पेनल्टीज नहीं लगनी थी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में chaos होना था. जनरली अगर कुछ ऐसा लिखा होता तो डिसिप्लिन हम आंसर लिख देते. बट बिकॉज this is a quote basically. See, it is written in inverted commas. This is a quote, and this quote is a hint for the answer that it is unity of command. Please write it down, put a star mark, then so that we will not forget it for the next time. ठीक है जी? We still have 3 more minutes. So in the meantime, we will discuss about the what we will discuss about the practice assignment which I have given you. Let's discuss. We have some time. Practice paper. This is what I have sent you yesterday. This is our practice assignment. We will discuss its questions answer. First questions answer ये आपको मैंने भेज दिए. We will not discuss it. We will discuss it from this. ये हमने कल ही किया था. इस क्वेश्चन को भी छोड़ देते हैं. We will discuss from this question. Last one. Radhika opens a jewelry showroom in Jaipur after completing a course in jewelry. तो क्वेश्चन नीचे से पढ़ लेते हैं. Explain various principles of management that are being applied by Radhika. कौन कौन से प्रिंसिपल उसने अप्लाई किए हमने कोट करने हैं. और दूसरी बात वो कह रहा है, माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल ना बेटे सबको? ओके. दूसरी बात उसने कहा है, आइडेंटिफाई एंड एक्सप्लेन द प्रिंसिपल व्हिच इज वायलेटेड बाय राधिका. जो वायलेट की है राधिका ने वो भी बताएगी, और उसको वायलेट करने का क्या मतलब रिजल्ट होगा, इफेक्ट क्या होगा वो भी बताएगी. ओके. सो जहां आपको आंसर मिलता है आप मेरे को बताइए. फॉर ग्रेटर प्रोडक्टिविटी शी डिवाइड्स द वर्क इनटू स्मॉल पार्ट्स. 2 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने हैंड रेज किया. केतन, यस बेटे.
Division of work.
From which line we got this division of work?
Divides the work into smaller tasks for specialization.
Very good.
jobs.
And उसके आगे पूरी लाइन हमें यही बता रही है. कहते हैं divides the work into smaller tasks and each employee is trained to perform his or her specialized job. So specialization is the benefit we can achieve by division of work. So principle number 1 is division of work. आगे लिखा है, the salespersons are allowed to close a deal with the buyer by giving maximum इतना discount भी दिया, whereas the decision to give further discount rate is the final authority with the Radhika. Okay, this line also gives one more answer. Sanya, you can give the answer.
Centralization and decentralization.
Very good. How you will come to know?
The salesperson are allowed to close a deal with the buyer and more division is there.
Yes.
With salesperson.
That small amount of discount can be given by the salesperson, लेकिन the final decision to give more discount is with the owner only. Radhika has kept the major discount in her hands, whereas the smaller discount up to 10% are being given to the juniors. दो principles हो गए हमारे. उसके बाद आगे, in the earlier days of starting the business, Fiber our employees put in extra efforts. In return, she was promised to give some special incentive. Therefore, after 6 months, the business was doing well. She awarded the cash bonus to each of these employees to honor her commitment. तो उसने क्या किया, अपनी कमिटमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए उनको इंसेंटिव भी दिया. ओके, काशवी, यू कैन आंसर.